Welcome to Booze on the Rocks. My name is David Edwards and it is great to have you here today. We are going to make a Virgin Piña Colada. Now this is a simple 3-ingredient recipe that's perfect for anybody who doesn't want any alcohol, and if you are somebody that wants to add a little bit of the sauce, it's really easy to bump up. Now there's only 3 ingredients, as I said. The first is a little bit of lime juice, and this is optional depending upon how you like your cocktails. I use this to just sort of balance everything out. The next thing you need here is a little bit of pineapple juice. This is fresh squeezed. Doesn't really matter what you use. And the next thing I have is a little bit of homemade cream of coconut. Simple, easy. Now this is a shaken cocktail, and we are going to start with our pineapple juice. Now we're going to add a total of 5 ounces or 150 mils. Your second ingredient is your homemade cream of coconut, and you can use something like a store-bought Coco Lopez if you want. It doesn't make a huge difference. Now, your total for this is 1 ounce or 30 mils. All right, your next step is, of course, a little bit of the lime juice. Now, you don't need a lot of this. We're just gonna use about 1/4 of an ounce. So really, truthfully, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a lime, and I need to sharpen my knife, and I'm just going to squeeze that directly into the glass. So your next step is to shake this with some ice. So what we're going to do is fill the glass up with a good scoop of crushed ice. And what we'll do is we'll shake this for about 5 to 8 seconds. We'll pop that off with the strength of 1,000 pineapples. Now, if you wanted to make this alcoholic, you could put 2 ounces of rum in this if that's what you wanted to do. Now I'm going to put it in this fancy little goblet. I'm going to just sort of fill this kind of halfway, and I'm going to free pour this directly in. And here you have a gorgeous looking pina colada. But we're going to garnish this with a pineapple frond like so, and a red cherry. And this is a picture of beauty. It's a gorgeous yellow color with a little bit of foam, and you have your garnish here. I'd rate that a 9 out of 10. I'm just gonna grab a little bit of a straw here. That is really good. 3 ingredients. Simple. You get the pineapple, the coconut, and it's beautifully balanced by the lime juice. Another 9 out of 10. And if you like cocktails like this, take a look after the recipe card right over here.